Folks, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Today, we're going to talk about something that will change your life. We are going to talk about how to stop money surprises from wrecking your budget and your peace of mind. This channel follows our sweet values: simple, useful, inspiring, timely, and empowering. Subscribe and hit the bell for practical tips every week, and watch our short 3 Simple Ways to Boost Your Emergency Fund Fast from March 18th for a quick summary. We live in a world where Murphy's Law is very real. If something can go wrong, it will. But you don't have to live in fear of the next unexpected bill. You can be prepared. You can have a plan. Simple, useful, inspiring, timely, empowering. Life is going to happen. A transmission fails, the AC dies, or the doctor calls with bad news. The difference between panic and calm is a safety net. A financial safety net is your buffer between you and life's emergencies. It lets you look a crisis in the eye and say, "I've got this." It's about trading stress for strength. Build a foundation so strong that when the storms of life hit, your house doesn't fall down. Too many people build on sand, debt, credit cards, hoping nothing goes wrong. A proper safety net stands on solid rock, and it's made of 3 parts: emergency fund cash, the right kinds of insurance, and extra income. With those 3, your financial house can withstand storms. Money in the bank buys options, power, and peace. Stick with us. All right, let's get practical. The first step is baby step 1. Save $1,000 as fast as you can. This is not your full emergency fund. This is your starter buffer to keep you out of debt. Why $1,000? It covers most little surprises: flat tires, leaky pipes, a quick ER visit. This pile of cash is your promise that you're done with debt. How to get it fast? Get Gazelle Intense. It's a sprint, not a marathon. Sell so much stuff the kids think they're next. Garage, attic, closets, list it all. Post on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, hold a yard sale. That exercise bike that's a clothes rack? Sell it. Designer jeans you never wear? Sell them. Turn that stuff into cash. Do it now. Don't overthink it. Stop non-essentials. No restaurants, no vacations, no new clothes, no movies. You're on temporary lockdown. Beans and rice, rice and beans. Every dollar saved goes into the starter fund. Cut up your credit cards. I'm serious. Destroy them. You can't build a safety net using a tool that keeps you in a hole. This starter fund is more than money. It's a mindset. Hit $1,000 and something shifts. You prove you can do it. You feel the power of cash in the bank. You see the light. Momentum builds through debt payoff and into wealth building. Don't wait. Start today. Make a plan and don't stop until you hit the goal. You've got this. An emergency fund is critical, but it's not built for a $500,000 hospital bill or a house fire. That's what insurance is for, a vital part of your financial safety net. You pay a premium to transfer catastrophic risk to an insurance company. Driving without the right insurance is like a mountain road with no guardrails. You're betting your financial future on never having one bad day. That's a bet you can't afford. First, health insurance. Medical bills are a top cause of bankruptcy. Health insurance helps cover doctor visits and hospital stays. Home or renter's insurance protects your home and belongings from fire, storms, or theft. Renters. Don't skip this. It's often very affordable and it covers your stuff. Then, auto insurance. If you cause a wreck, the right coverage protects you from huge liability costs. These are non-negotiable. Also, term life insurance. If anyone depends on your income, aim for 10 to 12x your annual income. That ensures your family can pay off the house, fund college, and avoid devastation. Don't forget long-term disability insurance. It replaces income if illness or injury keeps you from working. Review your policies every year. Life changes. Marriage, a baby, buying a house, a raise. These change your coverage needs. Sit with an independent agent who can shop multiple companies and make sure your coverage fits. A good agent is worth their weight in gold. They'll explain policies and prevent overpaying. This is grown-up stuff. Take responsibility and get it done. When you're building your safety net, your income is your most powerful tool. More income means you save faster and build wealth sooner. Relying on one paycheck is risky. If that source disappears, you're in trouble. Multiple streams are more shovels to dig out faster. An extra few hundred a month can dramatically speed your journey. There have never been more opportunities to earn. List your skills. Turn them into income. Don't overcomplicate it. Pick one and start. Deliver pizzas, drive rideshare, deliver groceries. Turn your free time and car into cash. Use your work skills for freelance projects on the side. Freelance writing, graphic design, bookkeeping. Use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Tutor math or English. Manage social media for small local businesses. Sell handmade crafts or digital products on Etsy. Mow lawns, clean houses, detail cars, or rent a spare room. Offer consulting in your field. Book a first client. Avoid analysis paralysis. Commit for 30 days. Your goal: earn an extra $500 this month. You'll feel empowered and see it's possible. You now have the blueprint: an emergency fund for the small stuff, proper insurance for the big stuff, and extra income to speed the process. Knowing isn't enough. Action is what changes your life. Remember, sweet. Simple, useful, inspiring, timely, empowering. This plan puts you in the driver's seat. Take one action today. List one item for sale, open a separate savings account, and transfer $20, or schedule a call with an independent insurance agent. You're not alone. There's a whole community on this journey. Subscribe, like, and comment the one step you'll take today. Don't forget our March 18th short for quick $1,000 tips. It's time to build your safety net. Start today.